This is page 6 of your 3-2 notes. To solve multi-step equations, first, if you see parentheses, you need to distribute, and we remember that means multiply. Then we're going to combine any like terms. That'll be with addition or subtraction. And then we're going to solve it, and that'll be with our division and our multiplication. So I'm going to work you through 6 real ugly problems, and that is what we're doing today. So in this first one, there is nothing to distribute, so I like to make these plus negatives. So I'm going to do step 2, which is to combine like terms. 9x plus negative 7x. Old school baby math because it's on the same side of the equation. That'll be a 2x. 1 plus negative 5 would be minus 4 equals negative 20. I'm going to move the 4 now. I'm left with 2x equals negative 16. Divide by 2. X is negative 8. So it's everything we know how to do. It just has a few more steps. So number 2, I have to distribute first. So I'm going to bring my 91 down. Negative 7 times 3a is negative 21a. Plus negative 7 times negative 1 is a positive 7. Now I need to start moving stuff over. 91 minus 7, that'd be 84, equals negative 21a. And now I divide. Oops, I'm just dividing the a, just dividing the 21, not the a. So 84 divided by negative 21, negative 4 equals a. Number 3, we got to do some distributing action. So I'm going to bring down the 4m, and now I'm going to distribute that negative 5. That becomes a plus negative 15m plus negative 5 equals 127. Now, I got to put these guys together with old school baby math because they are the same. 4 plus negative 15, that's negative 11m plus negative 5 equals 127. Now I'm going to move that negative 5 by adding them. Negative 11m equals 132. Divide by negative 11. M equals negative 12. Number 4, we're going to have to distribute twice. So, first I'm going to do the negative 3. So, negative 3k plus 24. And then I'm going to distribute the negative 1. And it's going to equal 23. Now I'm going to put the like terms together, old school baby math. Negative 4k. 24 plus negative 5 is positive 19 equals 23. I'm going to subtract 19 from both sides. I get negative 4k equals 4. Divide by negative 4. K is negative 1. All right, number 5. If you didn't get all that, rewind it so you can see it. I just don't want it in that box. All right, I've got to do some distributing action first. So I'm going to just bring down the 20, bring down the 10x. Negative 6 times 2 is negative 12x. Negative 6 plus 5 is negative 30. Combine my like terms. 20 equals 10x plus negative 12 is negative 2x plus negative 30. Negative 30 becomes a positive 30 when I move it. 50 equals negative 2x. Let's divide by negative 2. I get x equals negative 25. Last one. Now, there's a fraction, and we all hate fractions, but it's really not bad at all. I'm going to bring down the negative 25. 1/2 times 10x is 5x, if you do that in your calculator. 1/2 times negative 2 is negative 1. And I'm just going to bring down the 3x, combine like terms. Eight x plus negative 1. I'm going to add 1. That gets me negative 24 equals 8x. Divide by 8. Negative 3 equals x. And we are done with these notes. Be sure to do what is on your Google Classroom for Delta Math. Thank you.